Hi friends, in this video I'm gonna start making my custom retro keyboard for playing retro games. I'm feeling nostalgic about the time when I was playing these kinds of games, and when the computers and the new technology came, the arcade machines vanished. The golden age of the arcade machines was the late 70s or early 80s. I used to play on them later than that, but I've spent a great time enjoying those games, and I would like to have opportunity to play these kinds of games now. I don't know, something is interesting about them. They've got meaning in them, at least to me. And I know if you've got experience, if you played these kinds of games in your childhood, I'm pretty sure that you've got great memories related to them. You have to train yourself to gain a skill to overcome obstacles and enemies, and also I'm fascinated by how smart the people who made the game were at that time, especially with the technology that they had in their hands at that period. Unfortunately, I don't have enough space for a retro machine in my house, but I will try to make a retro keyboard where I'm gonna combine the new technology. I plan to make it wireless and run on batteries, and after that I'm gonna be able to connect it with any kind of computer. Maybe I'm gonna install RetroPie on my Raspberry Pi and play some games there, so I will see. I bought this keyboard used. It was part of an arcade machine. I bought it from one guy here in my town. He sold me the keyboard. It was cheap. I guess it is more than 20 years old. So in this video I'm gonna disassemble everything because the board is damaged, and I'm gonna try to make a new one. Also, I'm gonna clean the buttons and the joysticks. So let's start working on the keyboard. I disassembled everything. For now I'm okay with their conditions, so let's clean them. I cleaned them, so now I'm gonna remove the rest of them to have a better connection, because they've been sitting for a long time and they have kind of a layer on the plates. And after that, I'm gonna clean the connectors from the old theme. The working principle of the button is pretty simple. We have two parts. The upper part is the actual button. When we press on it, the middle part of it goes down and connects these two plates down here, and we can read the signal and send a Bluetooth command accordingly. The working principle of the joysticks is also simple. We have just 4 pairs of plates, and when we move the knob, it connects the plates, and that's it. So I prepared them, so in one of our next videos I'm gonna connect them maybe with an ESP32 board and continue working towards the goal. I'm gonna share everything with you. Maybe there will be some problems and you will see me trying to fix them. The process of making these kinds of projects seems interesting to me. I hope it is interesting to you as well. Thank you for watching. If you like to follow the progress of my retro keyboard and maybe create a similar one for yourself, subscribe to my channel and like the video. It means a lot to me. So thank you and bye bye.